Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Moen Temp cartridges, which look like these. So let's get to it. So to change your shower cartridge, first we got to take the lever off. And right here you can see there's a set screw for an Allen key. So make sure you got your Allen key. We're going to take this handle off real quick. Take the set screw out. Always make sure you don't lose it. There we go. This Phillips head screw out. And make sure you keep all the parts together so you know how to put them back. And now you are going to take these two screws out to take the faceplate off. Alright, now that the screws are out, we're going to take the faceplate off. Set that aside. Now you are going to take the sleeve off, and that pulls right off the sleeve. And now you can see your cartridge. Now I already have the water off, but this one does have integral stops, but half the time when you go to turn those off, they don't work. I just turned the house water off. So there's the cartridge, and this is what we're going to try and take out. Now, in order to take the cartridge out, you need what is called a cartridge puller. And for this one, this is a Temp Moen cartridge. So we're going to take that out, and make sure before you take it out, you take this clip out. There's a clip right here. So you hook in the clip. And make sure you don't lose this clip. Take the cartridge puller and screw in the cartridge into that little screw, and then we'll start twisting with this nut in the back to extract it. Alright, so there is the old one. We're going to put the new one in. So we're just going to add the lubricant. Okay. We're going to place this back in the cartridge. And it should go in just like that. Now we're going to take our set key back into the top of the valve. Alright, so now we're going to put our sleeve back on, like so. Put the cover plate back on. Put your screws back into the cover plate. now that the water is back on, make sure the cartridge is in correctly, making sure cold is on the right and hot is on the left. Alright, so now that the cartridge is in correctly, we're going to put the parts back together. Then put your piece back on, like so. Screw it back in. Now we're going to carefully put the set screw back in the handle. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.